Once upon a time, there was this man who woke up and realized, I want to be big. मुझे बहुत बड़ी चीजें अचीव करनी है लाइफ में. I want to be the greatest man in my entire bloodline. Maybe in entire history, in this modern world. I want to be that one guy. He had that dream and he had the desire inside him. और उसने सोचा कि अब मैं ये इंसान बन के रहूंगा. Then a guy like me came in front of him and slapped his face and told him, you can never be that. Why? Because if you haven't realized it, कि अप्रैल स्टार्ट हो गया 2025 का. Remember the promises you made to yourself in January कि मैं इस साल ये करने वाला हूँ. Let me tell you something, 25% of the year has been gone. What did you do? क्या किया? नया बिजनेस ट्राई करने का सोचा था. Did you try that? तुमने एक महीने में बुक रीड करने का शायद सोचा होगा. Did you try that? शायद 2 न्यू आदतें बनाने का सोचा होगा कि मैं रेगुलर वर्कआउट करूंगा या मैं जॉगिंग पे जाऊंगा या मैं हेल्दी खाना खाऊंगा. ऐसी कोई हैबिट बनाने का सोचा होगा. Did you do that? Or did that? You didn't. तुमने वो नहीं किया. And now you expect the guy like me or anyone around you to believe that you can make it. You yourself know you can't make it. And let me tell you something. It is the thing. It's the truth, the ugly truth. Most of you will never be successful. Most of you will live in this mediocrity life. Most of you will never even dream big after few years. All you gonna do is अब जो होगा देखा जाएगा. And you will sit back, relax, because now तुम अभी जो कर रहे हो, all you're doing is chasing comfort, cheap dopamine. मुझे एक बात बताओ, तुम हेल्दी खाना नहीं खा पा रहे हो. Like if you even तुम घर का खाना स्टार्ट कर दो, people consider that you are dieting. Like what the fuck? मैं सिर्फ फास्ट फूड छोड़ो. I'm not in a diet. I still eat a lot, but people consider you are dieting. This is how much fucked up everyone is. If you haven't watched the new latest web series, they question you what you have been doing because you're not indulging with cheap dopamine. This is the world you live in. So let me make you one thing clear. One day, imagine this. तुम अपने डेथ बेड में रहोगे and you will taking your last breaths and you will realize कि what you could be but you didn't. Why? Because you didn't have the courage to beat the laziness, to beat the fear, to beat the avoidance which you do to your fucking work. And someone else is taking all of it. Some other man is working for what you dream of. The audience is very generic here. Most of you guys do not come from very high upper class families. You are middle class or lower class, I guess. And you think you can't make it. What you do is अपने माँ बाप को ब्लेम करना, अपनी सिचुएशन को ब्लेम करना. बट लेट मी टेल यू, द बिगेस्ट स्कैम जो तुम कर रहे हो वो तुम खुद के साथ कर रहे हो, वो तुम खुद कर रहे हो, विच इज अपना बिलीफ सिस्टम चेंज कर देना. यू कांट डू इट. यू थिंक यू हैव अनलिमिटेड टाइम, दिस लाइफ विल नेवर एंड. आज नहीं तो कल करूंगा. एवरी सेकेंड यू वेस्ट, सम अदर मैन इज डोमिनेटिंग दैट फील्ड. Some other man is working what you should have done. The problem is that you are so weak that you revolve around yourself with emotions and how you feel and you do work like that. तुम तब काम करते हो, तुम तब सोचते हो. You do not even have the ability to think for 15 minutes straight. You will get distracted. And now the thing is, I'm not demotivating you or anything. I'm giving you the honest truth because all I want is you to win. मैं चाहता हूं कि तुम मेहनत करो क्योंकि तुम कर सकते हो. I relapse too. But the thing about me is Either I'm gonna be the man I want to be, or I'm gonna die trying. But when I will be in my deathbed, if even today I somehow come to a deathbed of mine, I'll be smiling because I know I gave my absolute 100% to this day. No, not pretending to give 100% day, not just giving 100% a day, absolutely 100% to this day. I know that I have done it. So when I'll be in my deathbed, even today night, I know I gave my best. I know I tried to, retire my parents. I tried to become the man I want to be. I tried to take care for my loved ones, even they don't know it. But I am building things for them, and I am trying my best I can. And yeah, it is the truth. Sometimes you relapse, like you are relapsing for 4 months. But that doesn't mean you are giving up. You need to wake up. This is a wake-up call for you. Stand up for yourself. Go look in the mirror and see. Imagine yourself how you want to be. If you have that belly fat, imagine how abs will look. Imagine the cuts in the body. Life is unfair. Keep that in mind. Life is totally unfair. This is a war you are into. The day you born, you have started in a war. And now there are only two options. Either you're gonna lose or you're gonna win. तुम्हारे पास दो ऑप्शन है. या तो तुम एक पॉन की तरह लाइफ जीते रहो, या तो तुम कुछ करो और अपना लेवल अप करो. This is a game and you need to understand that. And the only way to understand that is waking up your inner self. I want you to do that. The promises you make to yourself, complete them. I'm telling you, if you start keeping your own word to yourself, you already won. Like you already come up to 40% of the level. Because I am telling you, people around you are not able to keep their own word to their self, to themselves. They can't do it. कल भाई सुबह 6 बजे से जिम स्टार्ट करनी है. They don't. Bro, रेगुलर जिम आऊंगा. They don't. मुझे आज 2 शूट करने हैं यूट्यूब को लेके. They don't. They wait for the perfect moment. They think some lucky thing gonna happen to them and they're gonna boom. One day they're gonna be successful. This is not how life works. You need to be ruthless. You need to do not give fuck about anyone. You need to be so alert that what other people are thinking, the moves I'm talking about, not कि वो तुम्हारे बारे क्या सोच रहे हैं. So you need to have that ability to think, to achieve, to work hard and smart. And how do you develop all of that? By doing every single day what you said you will do. Because I know you plan your days कि ऐसे होंगे, you plan your month, you plan your year कि इस साल में यहाँ से यहाँ तक पहुँचूंगा, but you do not give your 100 absolute percent. That's your problem. And this is a wake-up call because 25% of 2025 is about to end and I don't know where you are, what you are doing, but I'm telling you, you can do it and I want you to do it. And I'm not playing around, I'm not messing up with you, but I'm genuinely saying you can do it. Because, or if you even don't, at least you will have the smile in your deathbed, not a bucket of regrets. You will have that smile on your face that you tried, because 99% people didn't even try because they are lazy, they are comfort addicted, and they have no guts to be ruthless in today's world. But I know you can and you will. Hustle hard. Peace out. God bless you.